Alright, Forex market, guys, we're back. Even though this program is dedicated to the Forex market, sometimes we like to deviate a little bit, give you some interesting angles, different angles, not necessarily coming from the foreign exchange market. This case is the Dow Jones, which we like to visit every now and then. Now, we've been bearish we had a bearish conviction on the Dow Jones. We didn't really, we're not really trading the Dow Jones, just to get, an overview on the stock market. I guess that's important. Obviously, it impacts the foreign exchange market. So we got the Dow Jones always under heavy surveillance. And now we've been here probably about maybe a week, maybe 2 weeks ago. And we called it out. We called it out. We felt that it was important to deliver the message of a potential turnaround, a potential downside trend that's lurking on the horizon. And we felt that it was coming because there was that big resistance level, 35,422, which kept pushing against price action successfully, rejecting price action. We saw that the first time was back in early August, right, about 5 weeks ago. The first time that was very clear. It was right there. Price was trying to break through and it just failed. Then, of course, the second attempt the following week, which was also a big failure. I guess from that point we started to take notice, right? And we started to talk about it. But price was reluctant. It just kept coming, right? So another couple of weeks, it just kept coming. And it just, for about a month, which is, if you think about it, kind of a long time to flirt with that 35,422 level. Until last week, finally, price began to break, right? After 4 attempts, well, 5 if you consider last week itself, because it did start on the way up. So got rejected 5 times in a row, and then started to break. We saw that coming. We talked about it. Obviously, the timing was off. But again, it's hard to, to be punctual here, right? We can only guess that turnaround was going to come. We couldn't know when. Well, it's coming. It came. That was last week. But you know what? Mostly, the whole week, I guess. The whole week was negative, and price action reached a big support, 34,574, and the momentum died off. Right? The negative momentum kind of died off. Well, just for a day. I mean, at least for a day. It's either going to continue on that path, right? Basically crossing over that big 574, or we're going to have a bit of a technical correction. So an upside reversal and a bit of a technical correction, who knows, right? It could go completely back to where it came from. I don't think that's going to be the case, though. I think it's less likely as a potential scenario. I do believe price is on its way towards the next big support, which now is 33,624. You can see the numbers right there. You can write it down. Now, the only problem, guys, is we do need to break first, to break that 34,574 that is still there, right? It's still there. It's still holding, but price action might crash that level this week, so get ready. And once it hits that 33,624, it might even go beyond. It might chase the previous low around 32,900. In any case, right? In any case, we believe it's just going to continue trading sideways, which it had been doing for quite a while. Check it out. Right, so it's just another leg on the way down. And there, guys, when we reach that area, we're going to have to reanalyze, regroup, reassess. We might be talking about a potential huge breakdown, which I'm not going to be surprised at all if that happens. or just a casually, just a casual one more leg back up when price is just going to continue trading sideways. All right, that's pretty much it, guys. That's the story behind the Dow Jones, which is a big barometer for the stock market in general, right? So there you go. Stock market is on the back foot. That's the bottom line. That's what you should take home. And I guess that's a good timing and a good segue to close this video, close this one up, and move on to the next one where we're going to be talking about the cryptocurrency market. So don't miss out on that one. See you in the next one. Cheers.